Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. In the 25th stanza of Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has written, ਬਹੁਤਾ ਕਰਮ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਨਾ ਜਾਏ, ਵੱਡਾ ਦਾਤਾ ਤਿਲ ਨਾ ਤਮਾਏ, ਕੇਤੇ ਮੰਗੇ ਜੋਤ ਪਾਰ, ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਗਣਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਿਚਾਰ, ਕੇਤੇ ਖਪ ਟੁੱਟੇ ਬੇਕਾਰ, ਕੇਤੇ ਲੈ ਲੈ ਮੁਕਰ ਪਾਏ, ਕੇਤੇ ਮੂਰਖ ਖਾਈ ਖਾਏ, ਕੇਤੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਸਦਮਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਦਾਤ ਤੇਰੀ ਦਾਤਾਰ, ਬੰਦ ਖਲਾਸੀ ਭਾਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਹੋ ਰੱਖ ਨਾ ਸਕੇ ਕੋਏ, ਜੇ ਕੋ ਖਾਏ ਕਾਖਣ ਪਾਏ, ਉਹ ਜਾਣੇ ਜਿਤਿਆ ਮੁਖਾਏ, आपे जाने आपे दे आंखें से भी कई कहे, जिसनो बख्शे सुत फला, नानक पातशाही पातशाह. He says, होता कर्म लिखा ना जाए, वड्डा दाता तिल ना तमाए. The blessings of God that He has showered upon us cannot be written. होता कर्म लिखा ना जाए, वड्डा दाता. The Lord is great. Vadda Data Til Na Tamaye. Tamaye means greed. The Lord doesn't have any greed for anything. Bhota karm likha na jaye, Vadda Data Til Na Tamaye. Kete mange jod paar, kitniyan ganat nahi vichar. So many brave people, Guru Nanak says, I am seeing Kete mange jod apar. Jod means Jodas, the soldiers, the brave soldiers. They also seek bravery from the Lord. Kete mange jot apar, kete ganat nahi vichar. They are uncountable. We cannot count the people who are seeking blessings from you. Kete mange jot apar, kete ganat nahi vichar. Kete khap tutte bekar. So many people are almost, you can say, they are trying to contemplate and getting turned into ashes. That is, during their lifetimes, they are unable to fathom or write anything that the Lord is blessing on us. They are not able to enlist those blessings. Kete kap hoye bekar, kete lale mukar paye. On the other hand, there are people who are relishing the blessings of the Lord. Kete lale mukar paye. Mukar paye means mukar jana. Refuse. They are ungrateful people. They say that all these things are happening because we are doing it. We are capable of doing it. God has done nothing for us. That is, they put across their ungratefulness also. Kete murkh khai khai, kete dukh bukh sadmar. There are so many people who suffer. Kete dukh bukh sadmar. E bhi daat teri datar. Guru Nanak says, the sorrow, the sadness that comes, this is also all you're doing, O Lord. Kete dukh sadmar, e bhi daat teri datar. Band khalasi pahne hoye. Band khalasi. Khalasi means moksha, that is salvation. One can attain salvation. Band khalasi pahne hoye can happen only with Lord's command. When Lord deems it fit, then one reaches the stage of salvation. Band khalasi pane hoye aur aakh na sake koi. No one else can say anything. Band khalasi pane hoye aur aakh na sake koi. Jeko khaye aakhan paye. If an immature person tries to say something else, that no, one can reach salvation through certain other ways. Band khalasi pane aur aakh na sake koi. जे को खाए काखण पाए, वो जाने जेतिया मुँह खाए. There are so many masters who are coming up. We see them all around. People fall prey to them. They try to lead them to certain ways, but Guru Nanak says these are all wrong. They misguide the people. Salvation can happen only when the Lord deems it fit. There is no other way. Band khalasi pane hoye aur aakh na sake koi. Je ko khaye aakhan paye. If an immature person says, no, there is some other way also, o jane jetiya muh khaye. He himself knows. Then that immature master knows that I am misguiding the people. O jane jetiya muh khaye. Then आपे जाने आपे दे आंखें से भी कहे. He says, if there are people who are ungrateful, कहते मूर्ख खाई खाए. In the same stanza he also says, आपे जाने आपे दे. There are devotees who say that the Lord knows my needs and He fulfills them. आपे जाने आपे दे आंखें से भी कहे. This also is conveyed by the worshippers. आंखें से भी कहे. यह से भी also, it resembles little bit of Odia language. In Odia we say seita modhe, se missa koichi, se bhi koichi. So here part of that language is also getting reflected, Odia language. Aakhe se bhi kahi. This also is said by people that He Himself knows our needs. We don't have to ask. Ape jane, ape de aakhe se bhi kahi. Jisno bakshe sift salah. Nanak Patshahi Patshah. Nanak says, the ones to whom the Lord blesses to sing His praises. Singing His praises is also something which is not in the hands of the human beings. One is able to sing the praises only if Lord deems it so. If Lord deems the person fit enough to sing His praises, he is able to. He says, आपे जाने आपे दे आके से भी कहे जिसनो बख्शे सिफ्त सलाह. सिफ्त सलाह, उसकी सिफ्त और सलाह जिसको बख्शता है. जिसनो बख्शे सिफ्त सलाह, what happens to him? Nanak Patshahi Patshah. He becomes the Lord of the Lords. One doesn't become, in Nanak's world, one doesn't become a Lord of Patshah by virtue of having wealth, land, but the one who is able to sing the praises of the Lord. For him, for Guru Nanak Dev Ji, he is the King of Kings, the one who knows how to sing the praises of the Lord. One doesn't have to be dependent on just amassing wealth. I'm sorry for the cow braying today again, but this is one nice time to make these recordings, and unfortunately or fortunately I don't mind. I hope you also won't mind listening to the braying of the cow as while this video is getting recorded, because that is something, again, it's a way of addressing for the cow. She is doing her job. She's calling out her friends or someone else to come and join her. So am I, singing the praises of the Lord, conveying what I understood of what Guru Nanak Dev Ji has written in Japji Sahib, and I'm sharing it with you all. I only hope it benefits the ones who are seekers of knowledge, the ones who want to know a little more about what Japji Sahib is all about. This is what I'm trying to put across, and in case I have faltered, I've done any mistake, please forgive me, and put across your suggestions. Do subscribe the channel and help me to improve better in the coming videos. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.